Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. What are these?
These are what?
Are?
These are what?
What can you?
These are clocks.
What can you do?
I can swim.
Where do you live?
I'm
Where do you live?
I'm from
Where do you live? Okay. Where's the stove?
the store. The store is next to the refrigerator.
Yes. What does she want?
She wants a cereal.
Who's he?
He's a farmer.
Yes. What do you do every day?
I go to the English class.
Okay. Do you read email every evening?
No, I don't.
What are they doing?
They are but
They are
ride a bicycle.
They are
Rides a bicycle. Ride a bicycle.
They are
Ride a bicycles.
What do you do on Fridays?
I go to the math class.
On Fridays. It's not correct. What are they doing?
They are riding a bicycle.
Riding.
A bicycle.
Look.
They are
Yes. Yes, riding.
riding a bicycle. Bicycles.
What? A bicycle or bicycles?
Bicycles.
Bicycles or a bicycle?
Bicycles.
Are you sure?
No. Bicycle.
Which one? Tell me one.
They are riding a bicycle.
Okay.
Bicycles. Bicycles.
Which one? Bicycles or a bicycle?
Bicycles.
Bicycles. Okay. Where do you live?
I live Samsung.
Yes, but you have to do correct. Where do you live?
I
Yes.
live.
Say everything. I live.
I live from. I live something.
No. Okay, no problem. Thank you.